for this guy to move so we can go by. Oh, he's trying to get his spread through. There you go. Keep plowing. That's the way to do it. Perfect. Okay, guy, you gonna stand there or you gonna... No. You know what? How are you? Huh? Yeah, I'm soaked already. Right, that's what did it.